What is happening, everybody? Today I've got a very quick bicep tutorial for you. Okay, so the bicep is made up of two key components. We've got the long head here, which gives you the nice peak and curve, and we've got the short head, which is actually inside here. That makes up most of the actual bicep itself, the short head. Long head, peak. Now I'm going to keep it really brief and simple today, but there's basically two different ways that you can do your standard bicep curl that's going to make sure that you hit the long head and the short head. I'm going to demonstrate for you. Okay, we're targeting the short head. We're going to have our arms out in front, narrower grip. Elbows can flare slightly out, but the movement is inside the body. Inside the body means inside the bicep, okay? Same usual bicep curl movement. Hold at the top, back down nice and slow on the eccentric. Pause for a couple of seconds to really feel the burn, and back up we go. Slow and controlled movements. Everything in front and tucked in. Elbows can flare out slightly, okay? Okay, now for the long head. Instead of having everything tucked in and in front of us, we're going to have it elbows by our side of the body, not flaring out like this. Nice and in, okay? Arms are in line with the body, and we're going to be doing the same movement. But just that simple position shift with the arms means that you're going to be targeting the long head as opposed to the short head. At the top, remember to squeeze, slowly back down with the eccentric, pause,